My illness, God is punishing me. Pandemics and war, God is punishing us. These words may come into our minds, especially when we feel helplessness, wrongdoing, injustice. But God assures us that He does not come to punish or judge, but to save, because He loves. He is Yeshua, the God of salvation. He who punishes or wants to punish is not God, but man himself. I myself want to take justice into my own hands, and I long for revenge. Please, try not to think so much about what one deserves, but look into Jesus' loving eyes.